How to make a woman miss you. 1. Go out and carry on with your own life. This tip may likewise sound somewhat odd, yet once more, this is an exceptionally significant one. When you then again, how was your life prior to entering that relationship? Didn't you have loved ones? Contemplate this perspective and carry on with your life too. What I am attempting to tell you is that you don't need to lose yourself in a relationship. Be you and carry on with your life also. You want to do stuff with your companions, family, etc. The more you will be without her, the more she will miss you. 2. Stay puzzling. Assuming you notice the vast majority of individuals, what they really do in the start of a relationship is that they inform her beginning and end regarding themselves. This is, as I would like to think, a serious mix-up. You not will undoubtedly tell her beginning and end on the principal date. Since, in such a case that on the principal date you'll tell her beginning and end, then, at that point, she will not stay sort of keen on you. Thus, what you need to do is to stay puzzling and make her track down additional with regards to you. By doing this, she will really need to stick more with you and discover more with regards to you, and therefore, she'll miss you. 3. Keep up with solid conduct. Most ladies like that sort of man who has solid conduct. Fundamentally, an enthusiastic roller coaster or a relationship is about power elements. Further, when you will keep up with solid and assured conduct, then, at that point, she should understand that to be with you, she'll need to accomplish more. It will eventually make her miss you so much and ponder you. 4. Become better. Assuming you need a lady to miss you, then, at that point, your topmost need ought to be to turn out to be better. Most folks fail to remember this thing and compound the situation. Certainly, focusing on yourself is the thing that is required here. Hence, I can guarantee you that assuming you will focus and zero in on yourself, she will begin missing you and would give you much appreciation and worth. It is likewise conceivable that thusly, you will actually want to change your view of yourself to her and she will turn out to be more drawn in towards you,